and we got a special guest. Come on over here. Don't be shy. Look who it is, Little Bop. Say hi, everybody. So what are we talking about today?
Splish Splash.
That's right, Splish Splash, which is a song all about
Bath.
taking a bath. That's right. It's really important to be really clean and have good hygiene. Can you say hygiene?
Hygiene.
That's right, hygiene. It's all about being really clean so that germs don't get in your way. And with coronavirus all around town, it's really important to have good hygiene. And so to have good hygiene, you gotta take a
Bath.
That's right, a bath. So why don't you join us, Dr. Bop, Little Bop, and Dr. Pop, and the rest of the Bop and Pop family as we sing a song called
Splash.
Splish Splash! Come on! Oh, hold your nose.
It's Drs Bop and Pop. The fun and learning never stops. Join Drs Bop and Pop. While we play, we'll learn a lot.
Hey, Baby Bop and Little Bop. You too, Little Bop. It's time to take a bath.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, splish, splish, splash. I love taking baths. Keep my legs underwater. Oh, the water's warm and the bubbles, I love the shapes they foam. Oh, splish, splish, splash. I love taking baths. Oh, splish, splish, splash. I love taking baths. Clean my ears, clean my nose, my tummy and my toes. Clean my hands, clean my feet, anywhere I please. Oh, splish, splish, splash. Oh, splish, splish, splash. I love taking baths. Kick my legs underwater. Oh, the water's warm and the bubbles, I love the shapes they foam. Oh, splish, splish, splash. I love taking baths. Oh, splish, splish, splash. I love taking baths. Scrubbing